Hello, I am Luis Hernando Murillo. This is my history and this is my family. My name is Luis Hernando Murillo. I'm from Colombia. I'm Polish and study psychology. I was born in Carmen de Apicalá. I'm 24 years old. My hobbies play soccer. I live with Polish friends. My favorite TV show is The Chavo del Ocho. My family is made up of the mother, my 6 brothers, and my 3 nieces. She's my mother. His name is Floralba Delgado. She have 54 years old. She is a housewife and is the leader of a Christian church. His favorite sport is walking. She is my older sister. His name is Angelica Murillo. She is 30 years old. She is a housewife and a merchant. She is the leader of the Christian church. She is the second of my sister. She is 33 years old. His name is Maria Murillo. Your profession is public accounting. She is studying biblical theology and likes volleyball. She is the dear of my sister. His name is Adriana Murillo. She is 29 years old. She is a degree in music and a music teacher. She is a singer of religious ministries. She is the fourth of the sister. His name is Sandra Murillo. She is 25 years old and has 2 children. She is a housewife and a primary school teacher. This is my brother. His name is Samuel Murillo. He is 21 years old. He is studying nursing and likes soccer. He is a musician and likes to sing. This is my brother. His name is Daniel Murillo. He is 20 years old. He is studying for the technical director and the service in the Colombia Air Force. They are my nieces. His name are Julian Sarmiento. He is 8 years old, studying in the school. His name is Juan Sarmiento. He is 2 years old and study in Muse House. She is my niece. His name is Natalia Murillo. She is 13 years old. She is studying in high school. Is very intelligent. This is my beautiful family. Thank you.